Hello everyone, George here. I would like to introduce you to some of the fossils here at the Village Silversmith. We're going to start with the oldest fossil that we have here, and it's right over here. This fossil dates at 2.5 billion years. It's known as a stromatolite, and it was found in Western Australia. These, by the way, are still alive today. You still find them. They're protected and they're off the coast of Western Australia. It was a type of blue-green algae that accumulated in these mushroom-shaped forms. Depending on how you look at it, you'll see that there are different ways of looking at the fossil. This fossil here, you're looking at the up and down, and you see the circles, and you can imagine the blue-green algae right in those type of circles. But if you slice through it this way, you get a completely different pattern, and you can see all the layers that made up this stromatolite. The other fossil that is the same age, 2.5 billion years, is over here, and it's really unusual and hard to classify it as a fossil. I'll tell you why. These little dots that you see here is what makes this really somewhat of a fossil and somewhat not a fossil. What you're looking at is volcanic lava dating at 2.5 billion years old. This material was still alumina rich, and the material that came out of the volcanoes at this time was different colors. In this case, this brownish and pinks and mauves. And the dots, we know creatures were not alive at this time, so they couldn't have been made by creatures. What they are the impressions of raindrops. At just the proper time, when this material was forming, it was raining. And so you're left with the impressions of the raindrops where they fell on the hot lava.